Hello and welcome to this video of number 15 Willowside here in North Woodley. So what we have here is a 3-bedroomed link-detached property, vacant possession and generally in good presentation. So let's first of all start by showing you the location. The location is undoubtedly one of the features. We're on a private driveway, that's the very end of the driveway there. And let me spin round to the other direction and just show you that's the entrance to the drive. And at the front of this property we have quite a nice open green with a nice cherry tree there in front. So let's make our way into the house itself and let's show you around. So location wise, whilst it's a lovely location as I mentioned, also worth pointing out that we are within walking distance of the local shops, bus services just down the road, and also again I think for most children, Willowbank Primary School and Waingels College is also within walking distance as well. So really good location all round for this property. So we're in the entrance hall, doorway there through to the lounge. As you can see, there's the staircase to the first floor. I'm just going to start by showing you the downstairs WC. That's here. So let me just show you first of all the front there. There's a window, and I'm just going to step in the room, turn around and show you the wash basin, because we have a vanity cupboard under and also cupboard above as well. So good storage. Sorry about the squeaky door. So let's start with the lounge. I'll show you the kitchen afterwards. So lounge dining room, really nice sized room as you can see. We've got full width doors, windows and doors, French doors in the middle there, opening onto the garden. Very private aspect. Just going to spin round. There's a focal point of a fireplace. That's a gas fire actually, that one. The door there is to a very big understairs storage cupboard, the sort of cupboard you can walk into. But certainly a lot of room in this lounge. You can see the size of the furniture that we have here. I'm just doing a full circle for you. And then back to the original view of this room. Okay, so just going to reverse up now and go left into the kitchen. White units, good work surface space, appliance space as well. On the right hand side here we've got a built-in double oven. You can see there's a 4-ringed gas hob just there. Beside the oven there's space for a fridge freezer in the corner there. Lots of eye level units and base units as well. It's a front aspect window. Just going to point out in this cupboard we have the boiler. It's a Baxi boiler. And then space for wash machine, and you can see the sink. So that is the kitchen. Let's now make our way upstairs and I'll show you the bedrooms. We're on the landing and there is the stairs taking you down into the entrance hall. We've got a built-in airing cupboard, this one just here. And you'll notice the doors, they've been changed to the white multi-panel doors. First of all, the main bedroom. So that's at the rear. You can see the radiator under the window. The windows, by the way, they're all UPVC double glazed sealed units. You can see we've got plenty of space for wardrobe there, and in fact more space for furniture along this wall as well on the right. So that is the main bedroom. The front bedroom is here. This has a double bed in the room already, so that just gives you an idea of the space. Wall-to-wall built-in wardrobes on the right hand side here. Really useful. There's a front aspect window there with a radiator beneath. That's the second bedroom, and the third bedroom is here at the rear. So this has been kitted out as more of an office study, but hopefully you can see a good sized single bedroom and lots of bookshelving, desk units, and there's a wardrobe just here as well. So that's the third bedroom, and then last but not least we have the bathroom facilities in here. First of all, just showing you on the right here the wash basin with the vanity covered under, the low level WC. And if I step in behind the door here, we have a heated towel rail, but also it's a shower, and it's quite a big shower with an Aqualaser power shower unit. So good shower all round. And then just show you this again, very neat. The sink has a mirrored splashback there with lighting, a few shelves. So that's the property. Let's now show you the rear garden. Through the French doors into the garden. So it's a patioed garden, as you'll see. Quite a big flower bed there behind that dwarf wall. The garden's very private. The conifer tree there, more of a hedge, large hedge, screens the property at the rear, so you've got a lot of privacy. I'm just going to pan round to the right just to show you we've got an area behind the garage. There's the garage door, single garage at the side. We've got a pergola on the back of the house. And I'm just going to show you the back of the house from this angle, looking in. So that just about concludes the tour of this property. If you would like to know any information about this before viewing, do contact myself. My name's Gary. Telephone number is on the website. Alternatively, it's the same number to arrange a viewing appointment. Thanks for watching.